Standing tall for over 4,500 years, the pyramids of Giza are among the most iconic and mysterious structures in human history. But how did the ancient Egyptians, without modern machinery, move stones weighing several tons across vast distances? Today, we unravel the hidden engineering secrets behind these monumental feats. To truly appreciate the ingenuity of the ancient Egyptians, we must first understand the sheer scale of the pyramids. The Great Pyramid alone consists of over 2.3 million limestone blocks, each weighing an average of 2.5 tons. Some stones, especially those used in the inner chambers, weigh as much as 80 tons. Some suggest the use of sledges, while others believe in the possibility of rolling logs. But could these methods truly account for the massive scale of the operation? One of the most widely accepted theories involves the use of sledges. The Egyptians are thought to have used wooden sledges to drag the stones across the desert. Recent studies suggest that by pouring water on the sand, they reduced friction, making it easier to move the stones. This simple yet effective technique may have been key to their success. Another theory suggests that the Egyptians may have used logs as rollers. By placing logs beneath the stones, they could have created a makeshift conveyor belt. However, this theory has its limitations, as the logs would have been quickly crushed under the immense weight of the stones. One of the most enduring mysteries of pyramid construction is the use of ramps. How did the Egyptians lift these massive stones to such great heights? Various ramp theories have been proposed, each with its own set of challenges. The precision of the stone placement in the pyramids is another marvel of engineering. The stones are so tightly fitted that even a piece of paper cannot slide between them. How did the Egyptians achieve such accuracy? The Egyptians likely used copper tools and abrasives to cut the stones. While copper is a relatively soft metal, it can be incredibly effective when combined with sand, which acted as an abrasive. This allowed them to achieve remarkably straight cuts. To lift and place the stones with such precision, the Egyptians may have used a system of levers and counterweights. This method, though labor-intensive, would have given them the control needed to position each stone perfectly. Some researchers speculate that the Egyptians may have had access to advanced technologies that have since been lost to history. These technologies could have included sophisticated lifting devices or other machinery that made the construction of the pyramids more manageable. One of the more controversial theories suggests that extraterrestrial beings may have played a role in the construction of the pyramids. While this idea is often dismissed by mainstream scholars, it continues to capture the imagination of many. The pyramids have left an indelible mark on human culture, inspiring countless generations and becoming a powerful symbol of the mysteries of the ancient world. Despite all we have learned, the pyramids continue to guard their secrets. As we continue to explore and study these ancient wonders, we may one day unlock the full story behind their construction. The true story of how the Egyptians moved these massive stones may remain a mystery, but the awe they inspire will continue for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the mysteries of ancient Egypt. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on how you think the pyramids were built. Until next time, keep exploring factfulness.